Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to edit directory listings using both custom and pre-designed templates in WordPress. Step 1. Editing directory listings with a custom template. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard and clicking on Directory. Ensure that the page template is set to Custom Template, so you can fully customize your listing as desired. This allows you to easily modify features such as contact information, pricing, videos, images, location, and more. On the right side of the screen, you'll find listing categories, where you can choose the most relevant options for your directory. Once you've made your changes, click Update. To further edit the layout, select Edit with Elementor, which lets you drag and drop your preferred elements to customize your layout. Adjust the general settings as needed. Then click Update to save all changes. Step 2. Editing directory listings with a pre-designed template. Create a new page by clicking Add New Page and give it a suitable title. On the right, confirm that the template is set to Directory Listings Single Page Template, then click Publish. You can now choose the layout structure you want and easily drag and drop add-ons as required. After making your changes, click Update. To assign the template, go to Directory, select All Listings. And choose the template page you just created. Finally, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited both custom and pre-designed directory listing templates. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.